Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I've made a live stream last night regarding my plans to update my home network. It's more of an upgrade because my current router, which is the TP-Link Deco X68, doesn't have any power redundancy. For example, I don't have a backup power. Uh, in this case, I'm gonna need an UPS. So today we're gonna unbox just that. So right here I have the APC by Schneider backup UPS UPS, not the delivery UPS that we know all about. And this is the 450 volt, 255 watt. So this is for home and office series. This is the model number Bravo November 450 mic. So that's the BN450M. And according to APC, it's a surge protector as well, and it has a quick mute uh, mode and a 6 outlet. And we'll see how many outlets there are. From yesterday, I've actually revealed the layout or the schematic of my network, and we're gonna connect my Netgear CM1200 into this as part of the battery plus surge. And also we are gonna connect my TP-Link Deco 68 routers, the main and the satellite. And also, in addition to that, we are going to connect the UV 2K pan and tilt camera. So we're unboxing right now. This is the first time I'm opening it. So here it says turn product over, connect battery. 1, 2. There is the fuse right there. Battery surge and surge. So it's, according to the box, it has 6 outlets or receptacles. 4 of them are battery plus surge and surge. Battery plus surge means if you have items or electronics connected to that, once you have power outage, that those products will continue to get power until the UPS runs out of battery. The surge is just like your traditional surge that you buy from your electronics store. So that's the surge part of it. So let's see here. So there's nothing much in the box. So this is the manual. I'm gonna have to read this when it's time to do the quick mute mode, where if you don't want the annoying sounds, then you can set that up for that purpose. Okay, so again, this is the 450 volt, 255 watt, and APC claims up to 2.3 hours runtime. So that depends on the load of your equipment. So I'm just gonna connect 3 items here, which is my routers, one of the main router, and then the modem and my UV 2K camera. All right, so we have here backup UPS 450 APC Schneider. So we're gonna follow the direction, turn product over. Okay, battery connector. So we're gonna pull this just like that, and we are going to punch this down just like your fuse in your car. So okay, that's complete. Now that we have connected the fuse, the battery connector, So we did number 1 and we did number 2, and this is actually where the manual comes handy. The reason why I'm reading the manual here, even though sometimes on electronics I skip this, I skip reading the manual, is because this is this is electronics. I don't want my routers and modems getting fried, especially your expensive gear. So we're gonna read the manual to make sure we follow and mitigate any issues. So we connected the battery. We did that, and then connect the equipment. So it says here battery backup plus surge protection outlet. So you have 4 of them, and also for surge protection we have 2. And you have your circuit breaker in the back, AC power inlet, and the building wiring fault. So just like that right there. Okay. So this gives you just all the stuff that you'll need, and connect the battery. We did that. Slide the battery connector. Turn the battery connector in 90 degree. We just did that. Okay, we're gonna press the turn on button. So press the button. It will illuminate green in the single short beep, indicating that the backup ups is on and providing protection from the connected equipment. So we're gonna press 1. Okay, so we heard the single short beep, so that means it's indicating that the backup ups is on, which is on. We can see it's blinking and illuminated and providing protection for connected equipment. The backup ups battery will charge regardless of whether the backup ups is switched on or off, as long as it's connected to the AC power. So right now we have the AC power disconnected. We are going to plug this into the wall. The good thing about this is 90 degree angle. So let's keep reading here. The ups will have full runtime capability after the initial 24-hour charging period. So what we're going to do is plug this in to the wall jack to get power and charge it for, let's just say, we'll go for the initial 24-hour connected to the AC power. If the red building wiring fault indicator located in the near end power cord is lit, your building wiring may present a shock hazard that should be corrected by a qualified electrician. So yeah, I think we are good to go. We are going to plug this into the AC wall to get some power, and it will charge for 24 hours. It says based on the manual. We'll see. I'll probably cut it to like 12 hours, but we'll follow the manual as much as possible to mitigate any issues in the future. So with that being said, I'm gonna go plug this into the wall. This is the APC 450 volt 200, what does that say, 255 watt. It has 4 receptacle right here, battery plus charge, and 2 surge, which gives you a total of 6 outlets. So I'm gonna connect my CM1200 Netgear modem, and then on the second one I'll connect my routers, the TP-Link Deco X68, and the third receptacle I'll connect my UV 2K cam, or maybe another UV camera. Just make sure I have power redundancy. So that ends the unboxing here. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. I'll make more videos unboxing stuff and how I use them for practicality purposes. So with that being said, comment down below if you guys have any questions. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.